Hey gang, RichyRefurbish here. We're coming back, video number 3 to finalize the changing of the pickups and wire harness in our Gretsch Streamliner. And I've just published the video number 2, which was a disaster from one end to the other. But anyways, those things happen. So tell you what we're going to do. We're going to get right into it here and show you what we've done. This is the completed product. Gretsch Streamliner. And here's the, let me tilt this down a little bit here. There we go. There's the controls from the Emerson pre-wired kit for a wire harness for a PRS, and that's the master volume, master tone, and selector switch 3-way. Okay, we got the DiMarzio Super Distortion, you got the DiMarzio Phantom. Both are noiseless, and of course I've got my Reverend spring and my stainless steel vibrato arm, my roller bridge, and she's good to go. I'm not going to worry about these holes, but probably just put a Gretsch sticker over them. I don't know. So anyways, I told you I'd give you a little demo with this thing, and I really like the way it does. I told you before, it's so light. And so anyway, let's get right to it here. We're let me get this phone down here a little bit so maybe we can centralize on the guitar here. And saw a video one time, or not a video, but a TV show, Johnny Carson show. He had the birds on there to show you how old that is. And anyways, he said they were laughing because they could hear this in the back, you know, because they played 12 strings, okay? It's very hard task to tune a 12 string. David Crosby walks up to the microphone and goes, had his Cossack hat on and said, "We tune because we know how." And I tune because I know how. I've already tuned up. So let's get right into it. We'll do what these guys do on the videos, you know. This is my clean tone. This is the neck pickup. Let's do the bridge pickup, DiMarzio Super Distortion. Now the middle position, you're gonna say, boy, that's weird, yeah. Kind of sounds like a wah-wah pedal that's backed off. One of these has Alnico or Alnico magnets, whatever you want to call it, and the other one has ceramic magnets. And I think that's, I don't know, they just do a weirdness there. I think that's a reason for it. But anyway, here we go. Clean tone with the middle position. I was thinking about, you know, may even sound like John Lennon's Rickenbacker. I don't know. Yeah, anyways, that's the clean tone for that. Let's go with the bridge with a little dirt on it. pickup, same thing. In the middle position. All right. If you want a little bit more oomph, here we go. And what most people like the Gretsch's history is, let me get that pickup on there, is a little bit of slap bag, baby. All right, folks, there you have it. RichyRefurbish coming back to you, and we make old things like new and make new things better. And so we'll have some more videos coming up. We're doing some lanterns. We're doing some old gas irons. I feel sorry for all those poor ladies that had to iron with these flaming bombs, you know, that they were, but they did it, you know. I think up north, there's still some out there being used. So anyway, for those of you that's in the path of that hurricane that's coming across the Gulf right now, I think it's Gilbert, please stay safe. Don't stay there. Even though it says it's Cat 3, it still might have Cat 4 winds and storm surge. So go ahead and get out of there and play it safe, so you can be around and watch some RichyRefurbish stuff again, okay? Later.